Hi, everybody, and welcome to the latest version of Ask Jarvis. This is the AI that actually remembers stuff. Jarvis can understand speech, read websites, and read PDFs. And I'm going to show you a little demo for the sake of this video over here. So I'm just going to write anything over here, and that'll take me straight into my login page. This is just the little home page, and you can log in with Twitter, Facebook, or whatever you like. I'll log in with my Google account, and it's just authenticating. It's only to get into the user dashboard here, and within the user dashboard, we have also here the voice, and we can.
The microphone is on.
Talk with Jarvis. Hi, Jarvis. How you doing today? I'm making a tutorial video about the Jarvis app. Oops, I misunderstood a piece of it.
Hi there. I'm doing great today. I'm excited to hear about your tutorial video. What can I do to help?
Just say hi to the people and tell them how wonderful it is to be able to talk with AI via a voice interface.
Hi everyone. It's great to be here and I'm excited to be part of this tutorial video. It's amazing how far voice interfaces have come and I'm looking forward to helping you learn more about the Jarvis app.
Well, not the Jarvis app. He's still learning. And over here, you can also upload a PDF, and you can choose whatever PDFs you'd like. For the sake of this example, I'm just going to choose a random PDF. Let's see, how to be happy. Okay, so we'll just give it a descriptive name, how to be happy, and we'll upload this PDF. And what Jarvis will do is that he'll actually save it within his memory. And the beautiful thing about it is that you'll be able to ask questions upon your documents, and pretty much everything that you upload to Jarvis gets saved within his memory, and you'll then be able to ask him questions about these things. All right, give me the summary, for example, and oops, I misspelled it. But he's going to give us a summary of the current document that we have over here. We can go through it. And on the free plan, you can upload PDFs of up to 5 documents. And the summary of the article is that happiness is a universal human aspiration. And finally, we can also go back and go into the search feature. And the search feature is also really nice when you're researching something. I'll give you an example. Let's say something that just happened now within the Israel war. What's happening with the Israeli hostages? Okay. And so, of course, the regular GPT is only trained up until 2021, 2022, so it won't have this information. But over here on the right side, you'll see the Google search results for that search as well. And you'll then be able to, again, have Jarvis read these articles for you and so on. As of the provided context, a group of 13 hostages who were held captive by armed groups in the JavaScript have ... Let's see. So this is pretty much, let's say I want more information. I'm just going to have him read some of these stuff over here. Okay, remarks by President Biden on the release of the hostages, for example. And we'll just wait for Jarvis to read these notes. And there it is. So Jarvis has now read that article about President Biden's reaction. So let's ask him a question about that. What do you think about President Biden's reaction to the hostage release? Okay. And since we've already uploaded that page in here, it's actually going to tell us his reaction has been favorable, ... and so on. So it's pretty really nice. You can also read the news, and that is pretty much the Jarvis app. Coming soon is also the Jarvis extension, and the Jarvis extension is going to be really nice again for reading stuff, but that's going to be its own video. So I hope you really enjoyed this little tutorial about how the Jarvis app works with a voice interface. You can also have Jarvis write articles for you. Let's say I want to write an article over here. By the way, Jarvis comes with these 4 voices as well, and you can talk to it in these other languages as well. And over here, let's say I want to write a report on how to, all right, and so on. And there's some of my stuff. Write a report on how to make friends.
Absolutely. I'm more than happy to help you write an article. I can generate content for you based on the
Oh, sweet.
topics you provide. I
Jarvis
can
is
also read the news to you, so you can stay up to date with the latest developments. The Drivers app and extension are going to be really useful, and I'm looking forward to seeing how they can help you.
All right, and pretty much Jarvis is going to go ahead and research this stuff, conduct his research based on the following queries. Those are the 3 Google queries he puts in himself. He reads a bunch of articles for you, and so on and so on, and he'll eventually write a full report based off of his Google research. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is Jarvis, by the way, summarizing the stuff over here and reading his next batch of reports over here. And he's going to keep on going. I'm going to pause this.